I started off with like classical, and then I did like jazz and ballet. And then one day, I think my mom just saw this class that was posted online, and I tried it out, and I had a lot of fun. And ever since then, I started getting competitive with it, and I started entering competitions. And I had a lot of fun learning about the culture, and I got to travel to Tahiti in 2019. And it was really amazing to be with all my dance sisters and meeting new people. It was really fun.
When Ava started dancing, I knew zero about plants. I actually don't have a very green thumb. I can kill succulents, I can kill bonsai trees. So when she started dancing, I started learning more about the plants and the flowers from her teachers, also other moms. And then I started to actually really like it. Along the way, I also learned how to sew. I hadn't sewn anything since 9th grade. This was not my forte. But Tahiti Fete, when was Tahiti Fete? 2017? Yeah, 2017. She gets super nervous right before she goes on to the stage. And I think she was like 7, 8 maybe at that age. And most of her costumes were made by her teacher. So I told her, okay, well, when you go for Tahiti Fete, I'm gonna try and make your costumes, and that feels like I'm up there with you and you're not by yourself.
In my life, I would say it's my mom because she works so hard to make my dreams come true. Like driving me around everywhere to all my dance classes and my tennis privates and making all my costumes and supporting me and everything. And I think it's extra special when my mom makes them compared to someone else because she's my mom. And when I'm on the stage, I can just know that she's there with me. And I love my teachers, Auntie Jeannie and Uncle Noah, because they have helped me through my journey of dance and getting to where I am today. And I'm just grateful for them.
Dude, give me a dance pose. Perfect. Give me another dance pose.
Katoa.